Hello YouTube, this is Gideon1907, and today I'm going to be doing a Powercool Terminator computer case unboxing. So yeah, let's get started. Just got this through by a private courier, which is strange. Some man in his little van. But anyway, let's get this thing open. Got my knife here. It's got a wee bit of damage on the side. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a big hole. Don't know how it's been kicked in. And again, this is from a warehouse place, but still. Let's get this open. Seems to be that the polystyrene inside has got kicked as well. Not too happy about it. Go. Now this is on its sideways, so I'm gonna have to like pull it out. I should have opened it from the other side actually, but get this out. See that big hole in the polystyrene? Let's get these bits up. Try and lift this. There we go. Oh, I'm seeing a wee bit of damage here. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Drive bays have been thingied in. Not too happy with it. Look at that. Look at her in all her glory. These bays have all actually went inside. But if I can give you a close up, you'll see what I mean. As you can see, it's got a really glossy look on it. Front here we've got a card reader. I think that's just SD card. We've got a USB port, headphone audio jack, microphone audio jack, another USB, and here we got a little fan controller. Here we're supposed to have 3 drive bays. Unfortunately 2 of them have got like, or inside it, something like that. Then there we got like a grill mesh style. It's pretty cool. Here, I don't know if you can see it, I'll have to turn it. There you go. On the side, we got like this big grill, and that's on the left side panel. In there we have a 180mm fan. Pretty nice. Now if I go to the back, can see IO shield, where that's supposed to go, and we got 7 expansion slots, which is awesome. And there's the power supply hole. We've also got 2 water cooling holes in case you want to do water cooling for your CPU. The pipes just come through here, and the other side has nothing. Now if we turn it back round to the front, you can see on the top we've got this lovely like vented style, and at the back it's all mesh, which is awesome. Front we got the power button, reset button, simple as. So that's about it, guys. This is the Powercool Terminator case. You can find it, it's only around about £45, and that's including post and packaging. So really cheap gaming case, but very good value. I'll show you a quick inside. thumb screws here. Very easy to get out thumb screws. Oops. Another thumb screw. Sorry about poor lighting. It's like no sun came out and light just looks ugly. Very glossy. Oh, there we go. Now as you can see, it is all black inside. Right, so I'll put this back a bit. I don't know if you can see that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hard drive bay with all the stuff. Oh, found the grills. Got mesh on the back, which is awesome. No wait, they're drive slots. Yeah, and they're all wireless design. See here, you just twist and they pop out. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4 hard drive bays. Take all this stuff out here. This is basically USB connection manual, motherboard manuals, stuff like that. And some cables that would route to your motherboard and your power supply. You can see those 7 expansion spots. All this is wireless. See, all this. Very cool. I'm not exactly sure where the fans are. Oh, there's one. And the other, oh, there we go. Didn't realise. There is the big 180mm fan. And it lights up blue as well, gives you a nice look on the outside. Same with the one at the front. So it'd come out there. So that's it, pretty much. Hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to thumbs up. See you.